And we had
the Millennium Development Goals are said to be replaced later this month at a time the country has made tremendous strides in achieving many of them. For example, the country's poverty level has dropped from the previous 45 to 38%, while universal primary education stands at 95%. Environmental sustainability is ranked at about 7%.
In terms of poverty reduction in Kenya, I think the country is making some effort toward that. And I think this is basically based on the whole issue of devolution and some of the reforms that are being undertaken within the country.
Kenya's quest to meet one of the most critical Millennium Development Goals of reducing child mortality and improving maternal health is still in the process. This is after Millennium Development Goal Acceleration Program indicated that the two goals had proven hard to meet with an increasing number of women dying during maternal health care. However, come next year, Kenya will be among many countries that will begin focusing on sustainable development goals rather than Millennium Development Goals. The SDGs, which are made of 17 goals, comprise issues raised by the citizens and lessons learned from the MDGs.
We have gone from MDGs to SDGs. We're not saying that the MDGs were not good. For their time, MDGs were really excellent. They brought the world together under, the 7 goals that we had. But there were some deficiencies. And together with the people of this world, we tried to correct the deficiencies.
They also outline a blueprint for development priorities until the year 2030. Among the 17 goals included in the SDGs, that also has 169 targets covering a broad range of sustainable development issues, include ending poverty and hunger to improving health and education, reducing inequality, and combating climate change. However, some of the MDGs have been carried over since the issues affecting some of the countries are yet to be tackled. According to the United Nations, the SDGs will help address emerging issues in various countries. UN will hold a special summit in New York from 25th to 27th this month to agree upon a set of sustainable development goals. The Millennium Development Goals, which produced the most successful anti-poverty movement in history, will serve as a springboard for the new Sustainable Development Agenda to be adopted at the New York Summit. Brenda Kiprono, Channel 1 News Hour.